Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to sign up for Roblox account. As Roblox is a global online gaming platform that bring people together through a play. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to download Roblox application from the Play Store. So simply go to the Play Store and search for Roblox. As you can see install button, just tap in install. Here Roblox application has been installed, so open up the Roblox app. At the official page of Roblox you can see sign up button, just tap in sign up. Here you need to provide some of your details like your date of birth, username, passport and also gender. So let's begin from the top. Here I am typing my date of birth. Tap on confirm birthday. Now you have to provide your username that needs to contain only letters, numbers and characters, should be between 3 to 20. So here I am typing my username. After that you need to provide the strong password. The password contains at least 8 characters long and does not match username and is not simple password. So I am typing here my password. After that choose your gender. Now tap on sign up. Here you go, your new Roblox account has been created successfully. Hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you.